single some persons, selfish politicians in Igbo land like Hope Uzodinma. These politicians are the ones that sent Cubana priest message to cast Igbo man. To what? Cause to this, credit Igbo man. If Obi Cubana, Obi chief priest, carried all his business to Lagos, it does not check Igbo land. Obi chief priest is not among the billionaires we have in Igbo land. His business can never ever have any side effects in Igbo land. Then again, let me throw light on his profile. Who the hell is he? Let me screen him. He is social advisor, something advice, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. There's an advice, work he's doing. Thank you. Social entertainment. So, Hope Uzodinma. Then again, who is Hope Uzodinma? Tell me whom you are. I will tell you the kind of friend you keep. Hope Uzodinma is the one behind all the mayhem Igbo land was subjected to from 2020 till date. Because Hope Uzodinma met his Waterloo during Imo Guba 2020 or 2019. 2019, during Imo Guba, Hope Uzodinma failed woefully. And making Odiara under political platform PDP won the election in Imo State. And Hope Uzodinma used the Fulanese, Mohamed Gulak, Abba Kyari, to do what? To hijack mandate given to making head by the Holy Molites. And that was what orchestrated the war, the pogrom that is going on in Igbo land, especially in Imo State till today, that has killed thousands of Imo youths. It is Hope Uzodinma. And the so-called Cubana chief priest you are talking about is an advisor on special or social entertainment or whatever to Hope Uzodinma. Tell me the kind of friend you keep, I will tell you whom you are. Oga, it's today that I got that information. The Cubana chief priest has hand in Imo State government. That man must be a bad man. I only have my love for big Cubana, but there was a way I have been looking at Cubana chief priest. I like him. I liked him, not now anymore. He is social advisor to Hope Uzodinma, and the people are dying in Olu community. In our Mekototo, Ihiala, Mbidi. Nigerian soldiers are killing youths, and this man is behind it, Hope Uzodinma. And the Cubana chief priest is a friend, good friend to Hope, who is giving him security, Hope Uzodinma. And he has the infantry to come out and to discredit the Igbo man in the southeast. Oga, it is today I know that Cubana chief priest has something. Many airs up his sleeves. He's hiding many skeletons in his cupboard. See, if he shift or relocate from southeast to southwest, to whom he injures. He doesn't enjoy anybody. Igbo land remains there. The most proliferating land. When you talk about entrepreneurship, business team moves there. Cubana chief priest will get away from Igbo land. Nobody is looking at that axis. They are the one that formed a Bubago outfit that we are killing Igbo youth. And they're trying to tell us that they are killing. His hand is there. If anybody is after him, his enemies are after him. Okay? His enemies are after him. In the universities today, I know if you are not into secret court, okay, you will stay 8 years as a medical student and graduate from that school. Nobody will talk to you. But if you are a member of a rival secret court, okay, you might be attacked anytime because you soiled your hands with blood. So it is with Cubana chief priest and Hope Uzodinma. That's why all the forces are after him. His hands are not clear. Today I've known the kind of person he is. I used to like him before, but provided he's so advisor to Hope Uzodinma, his hands are not clear. See, let me tell you again. Go to Igbo land, there is peace there. Nothing is happening. It is bad people that are instigating all these bad stories. Dangerous stories, trying to scare people away from going to Igbo land. Igbo land is a place I know there is peace. Since after the war, there have been nursing peace. Addressing every bordering, prevailing issues with Nigeria. With what? With diplomacy. Igbo man, we know peace in the southeast. Chief priest Cubana, if you want to relocate, relocate. We are your brothers. Nobody's after you. But you know in yourself, if you are right, if actually you are righteous in your heart, you know. But remember, God knows you the best.
Anyway, there's nothing bad in anybody wishing for something. Wishing for something, nothing bad in it. Getting it, come to reality is what that matters. Will their wish come to reality? That's the question. Will it come to pass? Will it come to light? Will it see that every day? So that's the main issue. That's the main issue. No mere wish or thinking or hope things will be like this. It's not a problem. But if I must tell you the truth about it, that wish or what they hope for, I don't see it come to reality in Nigeria. Because Fulani has betrayed the period of trust they were given power to administer Nigeria. They have shown every section of Nigeria that they have no regard for them. They have their life is not important to them. They have categorized other Nigerians at second class, third class citizen. The agenda has been to dominate and conquer and subdue every other Nigerian to slaves and occupy and dominate them and take over the land and rule over them permanently. That's has been the agenda. When the man was in power, you see how they ravage the kind of Nigeria. The current food crisis we experience right now in Nigeria is as if farmers not be able to go to the land and farm for the 8-year period of Fulani invasion of farmland, killing, subduing, destroying the farmland, taking over state farmers, eating up food crops, eating up plantations on human land of every part of the country. So Nigerian communities grown in perpetuity of hardship, captivity, intense hardship under the history of Fulani rulership of President Mohammed Buhari Mohammed. I mean, what's called Mohammed Buhari. So that period is a harrowing experience, a bad period of harrowing experience of Fulani rulership of Nigeria. So Nigerians are not forgetting. Is it the key throughout the president of Nigeria in the name of trying to capture Nigeria and occupy Nigeria by importing other Fulani from who are not Nigerian citizens to one across Africa to go and help them fight original Nigerians in the interest of capturing Nigeria, subdue other tribes and occupy them, dominate them as they are doing in the north, as they are dominated, as they are conquered outside the north. The next on the agenda list of Fulani was to extend it to other parts of Nigeria and conquer them. So Nigerians, other Nigerian citizens, have seen this. They have known that this is their ultimate agenda. So nobody, no section of the country will give them any land. Let them fight from now to the end. It's a matter of time. Every nation, every nationality will rise up and defend their land against them. No part of Yoruba land, Igbo land, every other part of Nigeria will be sent to Fulani to graze their cattle as for ranches. If they want to run their business in any part of where they occupy, let them approach the landowners and buy land and establish their ranches. That there's any part to give them land, it will never happen. No inch of Yoruba land, Igbo land, or any other part of Yoruba land, apart from outside they have conquered, will be sent to them to establish, to settle in, and now build that place in community formation. The master plan is that anywhere they occupy, anywhere they are given to, that place will be turned to a military barracks, a military formation, whereby they will be able to launch an attack on the rest of the whole community and take over the land. The idea of getting a land to form ranches is not the truth. It's a place it's a place they want to occupy, settle down to, and turn to military formation, military establishments, where they will be able to stockpile, arm, and launch attack to other areas of the community where they are hosted. So the idea of giving them land every part of the state will not happen, will not come to pass. The real agenda of them is to conquer the rest part of the country and subdue them under their slavery. So the name of saying, give us right to set up a ranches, whereby it will now be turned to a military formation, a military barracks, where arms will be supplied, and now declare a full-scale war on the community of what they did to the Hausa land in those days of Fulani or of Fulani invasion, whereby they captured the whole Hausa land and imposed Fulani emirs on all Hausa land. So it will not happen in the other parts of the country. People have known their tactics, they have known their agenda. They know it's a colonization agenda to capture Nigeria, to subdue Nigeria, so it's never happened. That's my comment on that. It will succeed.
No, it is a very bad bill. You know what? The Northerners will not allow it. Why? Because the senators in the House, the Fulani constitutes about, let's say, 65% of the senators in the House. And you know that open grazing, the Fulanis are cattle rearers. That is their business. They don't know any other entrepreneur chick. What they know is move from one place to another with goats, cows, and the rest of the livestock. But my suggestion is that if they know that they want to stay in Nigeria, they should buy land. Any man that rent shop in Lagos pays for the shop. Any man that build a company in Lagos State, the first thing he consider is land, buying land. After land, erection of what? Structure on the land, and what? Production starts. So if you want to rear a cattle, you buy a land of at least 500 area square meter. Are you listening to me? You can keep 500 or 100 cows there. You go out, you buy hay or dry grasses, you come back. You feed your animals there. It is your business. But a situation whereby you move your livestock from Kaduna to Kano, grazing on people's land is illegal. I'm talking about land though. It is illegal to graze. Overgrazing land will cause the bush fallows or the food nutrients on the soil to spoil. Overgrazing the land is part of erosion. Within erosion is not only when the water flood eroded the land and remove all the nutrients from the soil. No, you have erosion by air. You have erosion as a result of overgrazing. When you overgraze the land cannot yield forth fruit anymore. I listen to me. Because of the fruit match, the matching of the cows on the soil kills most of the soil nutrients. You know that? Then we are talking about grazing farmlands. In recent times, we've seen a situation whereby cows are grazing on corn plantation. Corn farm. A farm planted at least 80% corn with cassava. Fulani man allow his animal to be grazing. Oh my God. It is on social media. The whole world is watching now. It is a man worst inhumanity, animosity against fellow man. How could you have allowed your cow to be feeding on people's farmland, grazing on corn, and the cassava plantation is wrong? Are you listening to me? So these northern senators, they are asking Nigerians for war. Fulani is asking other tribes in Nigeria for a very hot escalation of pogrom that they can never withstand. That's one is going to be hotter than what Osman Danfodio witnessed 200 years ago, that warranted that he was beheaded by Atta of a gala. Another pogrom is coming. I can never allow you graze on my farmland because you are a Fulani man. I will make sure that you and that cow will never go scot-free. And no Igbo man, no Bari man, no Nupe man, no Yoruba man can do that, can allow such nonsense to happen in their farmlands. They have vast land in the north, they have vast land in Kano, they have vast land in Niger. The Republic of Niger is how many times bigger than Nigerian landmass? Fulani is coming to southern Nigeria. Southern Kaduna is bigger than 5 times than Kano State in landmass. They have many lands, vast lands in Sahel countries, in northern Nigeria. Yet they want to be grazing on our farmlands here because they believe on what Ottoman Danfodio, their forefathers, their great grandfather told them, that southern Nigeria is their forefathers' estates.